this Tideglass, the keeper for Walrus, and what is basically all about is that bulbs on Walrus actually expire and nothing pays to actually renew them. So we wrap a bulb in a shared object, a wrap escrow, and a renew policy. So anyone can actually crack it to renew or end a convex tip of the. So and that same object is a DA receipt. Other contracts can actually settle against, and it's immutable on the mainnet. So as you can see here, these are some votes we actually use for testing, and as you can see here are the escrow balance that will actually be used to actually renew these blobs epoch. So and anyone can actually call it, which is a keeper. That's what we call a keeper, and they can actually renew it and get a tip in return. So we can actually check one of these. So as you can see, the current epoch is 32, and this current vote will live to the 40th epoch, and that is about 8 epoch to that, and the receipt is certified on mainnet. And here you can see the amount that is in the escrow balance right now, and if it gets to 0.650, then the vote actually pauses because it can't renew itself. It's below the average that it's actually required to actually renew it. So here is when the vote was actually opened and when it was actually cranked, and the person that actually renewed it obviously also actually earned a tip of 0.0444. Wow. So that's basically how it actually works, and now let me show you how you can actually create one. So here I already connected my wallet. So here I can actually use one of the blob that I've created before to Tideglass so that anyone can actually help me renew it. So this is the amount I have to see, and okay, I run it. So now let's swap and sign the transaction. Now that you can actually, which can actually reduce the number of which can how many windows that it will renew for and the low water. So, but it's always hard coded for its epoch a normal. So so now we can see our fleet. Here is my ball here. You can see how much is on the see receipt, and actually this option on see vision, and I can actually top of one, can actually close the actually to it. So that's, and for attestor here, if you don't want keepers or anybody to actually be renewing it for you and you paying tip, you can actually allocate it to a contract to actually help you do it, which is this attestor docker. So all you have to do is accept delivery ready. So for us to do that, we have to open another. First thing is to put the vote ID back to my feed to get. Here it is. I copy The worker address is the one that gets paid when the goods has actually been renewed. So actually, actually address. So let's see. Let's see. So we included the working address. So that I inputted my address as the address when it has actually um, be renewed. This is the address that will be paid. This is the payment, and this is the required horizon push for it to be. And this is the deadline. So now I already created the order. Now remaining to sign. Okay, now we sign the transaction. So the order is now live on mainnet, and all these are queried with Stactium API. So now our actually charge and